Welcome everyone. Previous video I make some understanding about acquisition. They have two parts, and I think you well understand. Now I talk about special considerations. Consideration is was when a company uh, buys others companies 50% more than 50% shares, then the shares and everything, then this company will make decision for everything. So let's start. Special considerations. It is imperative for a company to evaluate whether its target company is a good candidate. The following are some of the key steps that acquirers may need to consider before considering whether they should go through with a deal. So I show you. Number one, is the price is right? The metrics investors use to value an acquisition candidate vary by industry. When acquisitions fail, it's often of because the asking price for the target company exceeds this metrics. Secondly, examine the debit load. A target company with an unusually high level of liabilities should be viewed as a warning of potential problems ahead. Third, undue litigation. Although law lawsuits are common in business, a good acquisition candidate is not dealing with a level of litigation that exceeds what is reasonable and normal for its size and industry. Fourth, scrutinize the financials. A good acquisition target will have clear, well organized financial statements, which allows the acquirer to exercise due di- which allows the acquirer to exercise due diligence smoothly. Complete and transparent financials also help to prevent unwanted surprises after the acquisition is complete. So this is the special considerations. Thank you for all to watch my video.